Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Glenn Tony and I upload videos Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I'm trying to keep it that way, but anyways, you're here for the hygiene tips. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, first things first, I just want to say it out loud. Everybody has a natural smell. We're not going to be smelling like gardens of flowers, no, we're gonna have that natural smell. But if you notice that you're having that smelling funky, fishy type of smell, then you might want to ask or call your doctor or schedule an appointment right away, because you don't want that smelly, fishy smell, because that's bad. Okay, so first things first is you want to keep your pussy, your vagina, your punani dry. Okay, ladies, girls, you want to keep them dry. You don't want to keep them wet. And also what you want to use is a cotton underwear or a cotton thong, and also like a breathable underwear. So I'm gonna show you guys what I normally wear. So this is what I normally wear. This is a breathable, as you guys can see, like it's like there's a little holes in it, so it is breathable, and there's a cotton right here, right there. So you want to use a underwear that is cotton, not those silky material, because I do have one of those before and I stopped using them because it is just not good for you. So what I switch up with the underwear like this. I normally wear thongs on a daily basis now. I still have my underwear, like regular underwear. I use that to work, but then if I'm at the house, I normally just like wear no underwear. Yes, you heard me right, no underwear at night, because that will boost up your confidence. Trust me, girl, I sleep at night naked. You can ask me after this, but I sleep naked at night. Especially I don't wear any bras. I'm not comfortable on wearing anything at night. Or sometimes I just sleep it with that, like a top, like a silky top, and then that's it, like no underwear. So my vagina can have that, fresh air and breathe. I want my vagina to breathe, and trust me, girl, this will save you. You can do this if you're not in your period. Of course, you're not gonna do this when you're in your period, because you're gonna be bleeding in your freaking sheet. Okay, tip number 2 is you wanna make sure that you exfoliate. Yes, you heard me right. You exfoliate your vagina. I normally use loofah, and I have my exfoliator soap, and you gotta exfoliate. I normally exfoliate 2 or 3 times a week. I don't have to exfoliate it every day, but I normally exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, and you gotta use loofah and just do a circular motion. Okay, so next tip is, I know we all have different perspective on if you want your vagina to have hair, or you want it bald like mine, or you want it to have a little tiny hair in the middle, like triangle, whatever you want, sis. You can keep it that way, but I like mine bald like my husband. So I like mine completely bald. Before, I keep shaving 2 to 3 times a day, because I just want my punani to be bald as possible. But if I have that lazy days, I will I will shave like for 4 or 5, or even like a week. I'll just like let it let it grow, and that's what I've been doing before. But then since I scheduled my appointment for my first Brazilian wax, it literally changed my whole entire game. Because now that when I got the wax done, up until this day, my hair is still like this, like this, and it's almost like it's almost like a month now, and my hair, like, they're thin. It's not hairy like I used to shave. I can totally see the difference. I literally have a couple of ingrown hair, because before I seen like a lot of, not like totally like a lot, but I have ingrown hairs after I shave, because probably I wasn't doing it right. But now I'm gonna ditch the shaving and enjoy like the wax monthly. And it's really up to you guys if you want to, if you still want to shave, and you don't have time to go to Brazilian wax, or get your monthly Brazilian wax, and it's up to you. Like, we all have preferences, but for me, I like it mine bald like my husband. Okay, next tip is if you're going to work, if you're going to school, if you're going to running errands, or just any in particular, make sure you carry wipes. Please, ladies, carry your wipes, because you don't want to go in a public bathroom and use those very thin as toilet paper that will just, oh, I hate using public bathrooms. That's why every time I go somewhere else, or like the public, you know, like going out with my friends, I normally carry my feminine wipes or baby wipes. Like if I go to work, I always bring my wipes with me. And if I go out with, you know, my friends and, you know, have fun, and I only have a small bag with me, I have my tiny feminine wipes. So I will show you what I normally use. This is the Huggies, and you can purchase this at Target. I normally purchase this at Target and also Walmart. So this is the Huggies natural care for sensitive skin, because I have my coochies a little bit sensitive down there. So this is it. This is what I normally use, and I believe this is only like $1 or something, and this is really cheap, you guys. Like, invest on your vagina, please, ladies. And what you want to do is, next tip is, I feel like some women don't know this, but I'm just throwing out there. I do have friends, I randomly asked them on how do they normally wipe their vagina, and they said she was like, from back to front. I was like, what? No, please, no, please do not wipe back to front. You're just gonna drag your shit from the back to the front of your panani. Please stop doing that. I'm sorry, please stop doing that. What you want to do is grab the wipes, okay, open your labia, okay, you're gonna open her up a little bit, and you're gonna drag it from front to back. You're not gonna do it from that back to front, because you're just dragging the freaking dirty germs that you have in your bag to your panani. So what you're gonna do is do it from the front to back, okay? So open your labia, and from even the side, don't forget the side. So you're gonna open her up a little bit, and just, you know, just wipe her, okay? And then after you wipe her, because I know this is a little bit damp, what I do is grab, if you're in the public bathroom, what I normally do is grab some tissue and just pat it to dry, because like I said, you want your vagina dry, not wet, okay? So that's what I normally do. That's why I normally purchase them, like 10 of these every time I go grocery shopping. I normally stop by Target or even like Walmart. I'll get this, like a lot of these. Next tip is, you want to use a soap that is unscented. Ladies, trust me in this, our vagina will naturally clean it itself. All the dirty stuff, she will clean it for us, okay? Don't use the scented soap, because that's gonna just throw off the pH. Use the soap that has no scent at all. I normally use my Dove unscented soap. I don't have this with me, it's downstairs in the bathroom. I'm not even gonna try to get it and show it to you guys, but it's the Dove unscented soap. I normally do that, and make sure, like I said, don't forget to exfoliate every once in a while, like 2 to 3 times a week. Another tip for you guys, so I'm a Filipina, I'm a proud Cebuana, Bisaya, to all the Filipinos out there. So anyways, what we normally do in my household before in the Philippines is use water, and we have this thing called tabu. So I will pop up the picture of a tabu. It's like a little pitcher that I don't know the English of the tabu, but I will pop up the picture of here. So that's what it looked like. So what we normally do is grab a water out of the tabu and clean it ourselves. Like, we literally use our hands to clean ourselves. And before you even dive in with your dirty fingers, ladies, make sure to wash your hands. Please do wash your hands before and after you go to the bathroom. Please wash your hands, and after, sanitize it, please, ladies. Because if you're going to use the bathroom and then, you know, like, you're gonna wash it, and then you touch your cell phone, you touch, you know, just areas that are dirty, and you're not washing your hands, and you put your dirty hands in your freaking vagina, that's gonna cause your vagina sensitivity, and also probably like an infection. So please girls, wash your hands, okay, before and after. What I normally do here now, since I don't have a taboo access, so I have my little tiny cup, like the cup, like a little plastic cup. So I always have that in the bathroom downstairs in the basement and here in the master's bedroom. So I always have that every time. Even my husband keep asking me, why do you have the plastic red cup? Like, why are you using that for? And I explained it to him. I use this to get the water out, and then after I pee or do number 2, I'll get a water and I'll put it in the sink, get a water, and then, you know, clean my vagina downstairs if I'm, you know, if I'm in the house. But if I'm out and about, I normally, like I said, use wipes. But that's what I normally do after I clean her. And I also put soap as well. I have like my soap here in the master's bathroom. I also have another soap downstairs. So I have like the Dove soap everywhere in the bath, everywhere in the house. So I can just, like, you know, after I rinse it, and then I put a soap in it and just like clean it inside and also in this, you know, and out front. So that's what I normally do. And then I rinse it out with water, and then after I rinse it out with water, I just grab some paper tissue, not paper tissue, but toilet tissue, and then just make it dry. Okay, another tip for you girls: if you're sexually active, yes, I'm saying this, sexually active, and you have a lot of partners in and out, and you are seeing not just 1, not 2, not 3, but the whole community or the whole neighborhood, please get checked, especially with STDs, because girl, STDs are real. You're gonna have one if you're sleeping with your neighbor and your neighbor's friend. You're gonna get it, and you don't know because you didn't get checked. So please set an appointment with your doctor and go get checked. This is real, and you don't want to be, you know, that person that, you know, you don't know. And I don't want to go there because I feel like I don't have it, you know. So it's much better to go to your OBGYN or to your doctor and just set an appointment, okay? Because if you're still, you know, seeing a lot of guys or women, just make sure to protect yourself. And then if you are, like I said, if you're sexually active, use protection, okay? That's just that. So please set that appointment, okay girl? I'm waiting. Call that OBGYN if you're a girl. Set an appointment. Okay, this is serious, and the next tip would be to pee and wash after you have intercourse with your partner. Girl, this is so important, because you're not gonna be cuddling or, you know, kissing around with your partner after you have sex. You gotta go to the bathroom, go to the bathroom and wash yourself. Make it your kitty cat smell, because you don't want this silky stuff remain on your vagina, because that's not it. Make sure to, you know, like I said, wash your hands before even washing your vagina. So go to the bathroom, rush out, go to the bathroom. Don't be, you know, a little cute, just wash it. Just wash it. Okay, lastly, I know we have different perspectives and different ways to clean our vagina. So if that works for you, then that's good. And if these tips work for you, then it's actually good as well. So just make sure that you know how to clean, and, you know, make sure to schedule your appointment to get tested. Girl, you better get checked, so to get tested. And also pap smear as well every 3 years. So just make sure your all of your stuff is good, because, you know, at the end of the day, you just want, you know, we just want her to be smelling good, and, you know, not smelling like a fish at all. So you don't want that smelly fishy like. So anyway guys, I really like this type of sit down videos, like girl talk. I'm more open about it. But anyways, that's all the tips that I think I want to put it out there in the world, and every girl should know. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and girl, get checked. I'm just kidding. Subscribe, and yes, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.